Hi guys, you're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're at Walibi in Holland. And we're really excited for this one because interesting fact about Walibi in Holland, it's got an RMC coaster. For those who don't know what RMC is, it's Rocky Mountain Construction. So it's an American manufacturer and there's only 3 of them in Europe. So we're going to go straight to that. It's called the Untamed. I believe it's got the most inversions on a hybrid coaster. Rocky Mountain are famous for dismantling old woodies and turning them into their hybrid coasters. So yeah, let's go have a look. It looks better than Walibi Belgium already. Let's go find the Untamed. Oh, here's our first look at it. The Untamed. Our first RMC coaster. Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at it.
That looks awesome. That was that turn out station.
Wow.
Extra style.
Here we are, yes! Oh, there's barely a queue for it, so let's get on. That was awesome!
Yeah!
What do you think, Sky?
Yeah, it's good.
See, nervous riders, there you go. You can go on this one, surprisingly.
Very intense ride.
So yeah, it's like post-apocalyptic theming and the carriages are themed after bugs. The queue's not bad, so we're going straight back on it. It's awesome. But you can't record on the rides, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So you got awesome music in the station. It's the drum start going as you set off. It kind of reminds me of Taron at Phantasialand. And we're going to go ride it a couple more times. So we've been on Untamed 3 times now. What do you think, Jacob?
It was very fun.
So we've done the front, we've done the middle, and we've done the back. It's definitely a front row coaster.
Yeah. I'm more of a back row person, but I actually preferred the front.
So this staff member came up to us and he asked where we were from. And obviously we said England because he asked if we were our language first. And he said, so you've been to Conda because of Jacob's t-shirt? And he was like, what is better, Conda or Untamed? And we were like, oh, I don't know. And he just goes, right, that's it. 1, 2, 3. I just said Untamed and Jacob was still unsure.
Untamed beats Conda, I know now.
So we didn't do Conda on the front last time, so that's why it's a little bit difficult to decide. But Untamed, guys, that is an awesome coaster. Get yourselves to Walibi Holland. It's about 4.5 hours from Calais, so it's not too much of a tricky one to get from the UK to. So yeah, this is the Untamed, and we're going to go check out the rest of the park now. It's in the 0 zone area of the park, and I'm kind of getting X-Sector vibes here.
Reminds me of the Smiler.
It looks very Smiler-esque, doesn't it? Look at those colours. Look at the little chimney bit. Off the Smilers colours, naughty Walibi. So yeah, we can't record on the rides here, I'm afraid, guys, so we can only show you off-ride shots. Oh, there's a little log flume over there, we'll give that a go. So here we go, guys, Lost Gravity, Max Wing Coaster. Let's go see what it's like. Walibi Holland, so far so good. So Lost Gravity has a little bus on the fast track entrance. Come on guys, we're going to school. This theming is just very, very Smiler-like. Oh, there he goes. And the actual logo for the ride has 0 for the eyes and then gravity for the mouth, and it's the same colours. It just looks like a Smiler rip-off. But how does it ride? If it's better, we might forgive it. So this is Lost Gravity, guys. So that's Lost Gravity, guys. That's really good. Matte wing coaster. But just look at this. Look at this merch. Does it look familiar to anyone? Now look at this. That is the Smiler.
Literally.
But yeah, it's probably the roughest Mack ride we've been on. That being said, it was really good, wasn't it?
Sadly, I think Ride Happiness will end up like that.
I don't think Ride Happiness. Well, I don't think it will age that badly.
It's already starting to get a rattle.
Yes, Ride Happiness is already starting to get a little bit of a rattle, but it's not as rough as old Lost Gravity there.
Lost Gravity is a bit more shaky.
But yeah, that was actually really good, guys. I wouldn't liken it to the Smiler with lap bars. I'd probably say it's a little bit more like Saw the Ride at Fort Park, but with lap bars and not as good theming. Would you agree? Yeah, the drop's the best bit, and you got to sit on the wing seats because you hang off the coaster, and it's a lot better. Feels like your legs are going to get chopped off though.
There was a lot of leg choppers.
Something new is on its way to Walibi. It's rumoured to be another RMC coaster. Hopefully coming out in 2024, like Project Exodus.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to Project Exodus. If it gets built.
So it'll be another trip to Walibi in 2024, I think.
Oh, Condor.
Then over here you've got Condor, which is rumoured to be the most painful Vekoma invert. Jacob doesn't like Vekoma inverts, do you?
Only Kumali.
Only Kumali. So I might be doing that one on my own. But for now we're going over to Goliath.
Yeah, I'm sitting out on that one.
Yeah. What about Goliath?
I think Goliath will be good.
Yeah, so we're going over to Goliath now, Untamed Mega Coaster, and we'll see what that's like.
Yeah.
So there goes Goliath. Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, reminds me of Citadel with the lift hill.
Reminds you of 6 Lift Hill.
Cable lift.
Yeah, the theming's not too bad. How bad's the queue? That's the question. So yeah, this is Goliath, guys. Here we go, Goliath. See what it's like. We got a fast pass on this one. So Goliath was a lot better than we thought it was going to be.
My God, that was fun.
Yeah, it's really underrated, Jacob was saying.
It's a lot of airtime and positive G's.
I nearly blacked out on it. It's got 2 turnarounds in it. In the first turnaround, I started greying out. I saw my vision going, and I was like, "Jacob, I'm greying out." And it didn't stop, and I thought I was going to black out there. So that was a close one.
I love the bunny hops at the end. They launch you out your seat.
Yeah, that was brilliant. That's a really good one there, guys. If you want to go to Goliath, we've not heard much about it, but that's why we thought, you know, it's probably not going to be great, but it was actually really good. So yeah, you got to get yourselves on that one.
I wasn't expecting it to be that good.
So what are we going to now? I can't remember what it was called.
Express Platform 13.
So we're going to Express Platform 13 now, and we'll show you that in a moment. The sun is shining in the exotic area.
To the death of 135 victims in the 1965 train crash. Some relatives declared that they will not let the case rest.
So the Walibi Express entrance is right at the entrance of the park. So I might not be able to get any off-ride shots for this one. But interesting fact about Express is it's the exact same layout as Rockin' Roller Coaster at Disney, now the Iron Man coaster. Jacob's never been on it, he never got the chance.
No.
So Jacob and Sky can see what the Rockin' Roller Coaster was like, and we'll get to Iron Man soon at some point. So this is Express. Theming's awesome, it's like the scare maze at Fort Park going through the queue line. So yeah, Express was good, guys. The theming was brilliant. What do you think?
I like the launch.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it doesn't beat Rock and Roller Coaster. I haven't tried the Iron Man one yet, so I'm just saying Rock and Roller Coaster for now. So yeah, we're going on the Cobra Boomerang next. Supposed to be one of the smoothest and best themed Cobra Boomerangs. So let's see what it's like. It's just over there.
I'm not sure about smoothness.
No, that's Cobra, isn't it?
Yeah. Express was quite smooth though, apart from the corkscrew. It was quite rattly in places.
So here we are coming up to the speed of sound. So the Cobra Boomerang, again, another Cobra Boomerang. But it's supposed to be a very well themed Cobra Boomerang, so we're going to give it a go. We're just hoping it's not like the one at Walibi, Belgium, because the Cobra there is very painful.
Singing fountain.
Oh, well. No, that was short-lived. So yeah, here's the speed of sound. So the speed of sound, that was absolutely brilliant, wasn't it, Jacob?
Oh my god, that soundtrack, wow.
Yeah, the theming for the ride's awesome. It's got onboard audio. That's definitely the best Cobra Boomerang we've been on.
It is very rough though.
Yeah, very rough, but it has the vest restraints, so it's not actually too bad. Not like the
yeah, it removes headbanging.
Yeah, it's not like Wipeout or Cobra where they do actually really hurt. That one's quite. That one, the restraints don't hurt. I mean, the ride's still rough because it is a Cobra Boomerang. But if you've seen my comparison video on Cobra versus Wipeout, that one's just destroyed both of them. So yeah, we've got a new favourite of Cobra Boomerang. Oh, hey! The fountain's attacking. I don't think anyone expected that. So we've just been on the log flume, that was good. We've also had another go on Untamed, and now it's warmed up. Oh my god, it's so much better as well.
It's so good, I love Untamed.
Yeah, Untamed's great.
I wish
log flume wasn't too bad. It wasn't much of a soaker, just a bit of a spray in the face.
I wish we had an RMC in the UK.
No RMCs in the UK.
Next this will be close enough though.
We will see, we will see. So yeah, we're just going back to Goliath now. We're going to try and get another couple rides in on Untamed, and I think that'll pretty much be the end of our day, because we've got to drive back to Calais to get the ferry. It's about 4.5–5 hours away from Walibi Holland, so yeah, we've got to make sure we don't miss our ferry, so we'll be rushing back to there.
I like this park.
Yeah, it's a very good park. It's definitely better than Walibi Belgium.
A very good top three.
Very good top three coasters, yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's just got a very good lineup in general, to be honest.
Yeah. That's got re-rideable coasters.
And I've actually been on all the rides.
Yeah, Sky's been on all the rides for all the nervous riders, but she wouldn't recommend the Cobra Boomerang. She said she's never going on one of those again.
Never again.
Never again?
No.
No.
So, mate.
So yeah, let's go get a couple re-rides in. So that's the end of our day at Walibi Holland, guys. Last of the day in the Untamed area, because it's awesome. We've been on about 6 times now, haven't we? What do you think of Untamed?
It is awesome.
Yeah, so it's a very, very good ride. Lots of airtime.
You don't touch a seat the whole time.
Yeah, our only complaint is the lap bars. The RMC lap bars are a little bit sharp, let's say.
They hurt your shins.
Yeah, they hurt your shins.
No leg room either.
So it's a very re-rideable coaster, but that kind of makes it a little bit unre-rideable, if you get what I mean. So yeah, that's Walibi Holland. We've had an awesome day. The only thing I can really compare it to is Fort Park in England, so it's kind of like Fort Park in the Netherlands. It's you know, best way to describe it, I'd say. What do you think?
I really like this park.
Yeah, so we'll definitely be back for this one, but there's 2 more RMC coasters in Europe which we've got to have a go on.
Zardra and Wildfire.
Zardra and Wildfire, so we'll get over to there at some point. The park's actually open till 8 PM today, but we've got to rush back to catch a ferry. which is a bit of a shame.
I want to stay longer, but you can't.
But it is a one-day park. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Stay tuned for some more 1 minute theme parks and some more vlogs. We're not sure where we're going next week. We'll see. Yeah, see you next time.